Hello friends, in this video lecture we will see various components mounted on motherboard. We start from important sockets. First one is the CPU socket. This socket is used for CPU, that is processor. This is backside of cabinet which has various ports including USB, HDMI, VGA, D pins or printers or peripheral devices. Is there for this port is there for AGP. These are used for PCI. This socket is for CMOS battery, that is complementary metal oxide semiconductor. These pins are there from SMPS, that is basically power connecting pins are there. Here pins are used for SCSI interface, that is small computer system interface, which is used to connect hard disk drive or DVD or CD drive. And these sockets are there for RAM, random access memory, that is primary memory. Here this is actually used for BIOS. This is backside panel as you have been instructed. उसमें वेरियस पोर्ट्स है USB, HDMI, VGA और NIC इंटरनेट के लिए वहाँ RJ45 सॉकेट है. Means using this RJ45 socket we can connect LAN cable, RJ45 connector.